Okay, there are many ways, or quite a few ways, that you can give your skin a glowy look. I mainly want to share one about giving your body a really nice, healthy looking glow. I do have a few things that I want to mention, but there is one main product that I discovered a little while back that I used for my wedding. This is, I mean, you've probably seen this thing all over the place, this product, the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. This gives your skin a gorgeous glow. You don't even just have to use this on your face, you could definitely use it on your body and it will give such a gorgeous glow. But this isn't even the product that I'm talking about. It's more of a product that you might not expect, but I'm gonna show you guys that. But you know, a variety of ways you can give your body skin a really pretty glow. You could do, I mean, I feel like self-tanners can give your body a nice glow, but I don't know, not quite the same kind of glow as I'm thinking. Highlighters, things like that, body shimmers you've probably seen all around. Those give your skin a nice glow, but that's not even what I'm talking about. I am talking about this product right here. This is the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil, and they do have like a highlighter version, highlighting body product. This is a body butter, but this is not even the highlighting version or the highlighter version. This is just their regular body butter, and you might be like, what, that's just a cream, how is it gonna give your body a glow? But let me show you. This girl on TikTok is actually the one who introduced this to me, and I decided to try it out, and I got it for my wedding just to give a nice natural glow. Nothing like super obvious, but in a way where it just looks really natural, and I'm going to show you guys it. So yes, going on like a lotion, but once it's rubbed in, like you can already see like, what, that's so pretty. Just gives your skin this really natural looking glow. It's not like highlightery or like glittery, but just gives your skin that gorgeous glow. I'm gonna put a little bit more on my shoulders so you guys can see. I'm at the weirdest angle, but just gives the skin the prettiest glow. I mean, just look at that. Woo! I will link the video where to the girl's video where I discovered this from if you guys want to check that out. But just look how pretty of a glow this gives your skin. Hopefully you guys can tell. It's a very simple, easy, natural glow where you're not like applying makeup or anything like that, but it's just a body butter and gives your skin such a nice glow. I feel like that was the quickest video ever, but I just wanted to share that with you guys because I think it's really pretty. And if you want like some glowy skin for summer or spring or summer, or whenever, year round, this is a really nice way to do so. And if you want to go a little extra, you can add like a highlighter. This is just the Charlotte Tilbury one. I actually did this on my wedding as well. I used both that Josie Maran body butter and this for a little bit of body highlight. There's also you know, body shimmers that you could use, like the Sol de Janeiro has one, but that one has like a really strong scent, so I personally am not really a fan of it. I know a lot of people love that scent, but I'm not actually a huge fan of that scent. So yeah, I'm just not really a huge fan of that product just because of that. Just the scent is just like kind of too strong for me personally. But that is a pretty one as well. I've seen a lot of people use that on their at their wedding or for their wedding to give a nice little body glow. But for me, this duo worked really well. Even just using this would be really nice. It's just a really natural glow and just looks really pretty. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are interested in checking either of these out, I will have them linked in the description box below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you guys have any body glow product recommendations, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to check them out. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video. Bye guys.